Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, Morning Thoughts, Morning Thoughts. For those of you who've seen many of the Morning Thoughts, you know that if you see that building right there, you know I'm right in front of my place of employment. Me I go in on my job. Me I go work, right? But before I do that, I like heal up my people in the morning. I make them know, say, you know, when me eye them still sleepy and them thing, I make them know, say, be productive and progressive, don't it? And have a wonderful day, right? Positive energy, them kind of thing there. I'm driving over here and I'm thinking to myself, yo, what am I going to talk about this morning thoughts? Because my morning thoughts, them come from just anything that's current on my mind. If I that's what you're going to hear about. Or some kind of breaking news or something. So this morning's morning thought now, I'm thinking to myself when I'm driving over here, I'm saying, you know, I'm really happy. I am blessed. I can say, yeah, I went to UE, I go to university, I graduate, I get my degree. I came out of school, market myself, right? Put myself together, market myself, and found employment in the field that I actually went to school for. Now, hear this. I know a lot of people that went to school for something and they're not working in that field because when them come out, they couldn't find a job or they couldn't find, a job placement in the field they went to school for. So they had to go do things that were, I wouldn't say below what they went to school for, but let's be realistic, it is below what they went to school for. Or they had to choose other avenues then, right? Nothing wrong with that, but nothing wrong with choosing something else if you can't find nothing. But if you spend a bag of money, cause come on now, let's be real, we don't all go to school for no reason. We go to school hoping to find employment in the field we went to school for. So to see somebody go in a school, come out, can't find what them go to school for all them years there, it's hurtful. I remember people telling me, you're not gonna find no job in this field. You're gonna have to choose something else. Right. Guess what? Those people still haven't found a job in this field, and we have the same degree in the same field. That tells me that it's up to you as a person, right? To get out there and get what you think is yours. You hear what I just said? That tells me it's up to you as a person to get out there and get what you think is yours. You're not built like the next person. So don't listen when people talk. When some people are telling you, no, I'm gonna work out, man. No, it not. Me try it already and it never work. They didn't put enough effort in, and they didn't want it as bad as you want it, right? Them I tell you about them like a 50% what them put in, and them don't know say you're a rebel and you're a soldier and you're gonna go 110, right? You're going to make it. Step out there and go get it, and show even them say if you try a little bit harder, you would have gotten it too. Now, I said this before I close out the video here, I keep it very short. It's always my people, always my people. My people, I was so happy to be working in the field that I'm working in, right? People have said, SouFlo, I see you in a scrubs all the time, so you're working at the health field. What do? I've been an advocate for my field for a while now, so I'm trying to tell people everywhere I've traveled to, I rarely ever, it's one time that I've ever seen another therapist that is black. And I'm thinking to myself, maybe more of us need to be going into this side of into this field, right? All right, what better way to use my platform than educate my people? Hey man, if y'all go to school, try to take up this, because there's a market out here for it. And if you can't find it, especially if you're here in the USA, link me. I can probably, like, you know what I said, pull some strings here and there, give you some insights here and there, whatever I could do to help progress, productivity. Here my people them know. You always a show off. Nobody not care about which part you work. Work. You always a show off. If me come on and me say, yo, brains don't want for nothing, or my children don't want for nothing, or none of my wife them don't want for nothing, and I'm a good protector, provider, right. Them come on and say stuff like, and these are real comments. Him always a dashi in a people feel so much him do for woman. I'm saying to myself, you can't win. Hear me carefully when I do the closing of this video. Right now. You know, we have a saying, right? Where we said, don't pay your haters no mind. A lie. Pay your haters mind. Some of them, you see, are some psychopath out the road in a real life that will splash out your head back in a real life. Pay your haters mind. Because even if you're guard up, right, and them can't touch you, they can still touch you. I wouldn't say emotionally, but them can still touch you in another realm. So use them. Use your haters as your motivators. So I thank my haters them. And I know it's an old cliche saying, but no negativity around here, man. Use them. In life, you need. May I listen to Khago the other night, right? And Khago the review that I did for his album. Oh, man, me talk about that real quick. Big up to Khago, man. Enough people, I say, SouFlo, Khago, the dirty boy, I say, my box you and Ray Ray. I want y'all to actually go listen. That's why I keep telling people that us Jamaicans, we have a funny way of talking, especially if we're not the ones that come from the upper echelons of our society where our words are well properly pronounced and we speak proper all the time and we don't understand, we joke them and we don't understand certain way how we say certain things. You know what I'm saying? Now, especially in the patois. I know Jamaicans that cannot speak patois. And then we tell us, say, you chat bad. You talk so bad. You talk so horrible. You have to learn to speak English a little better than that, man. I know them Jamaican. But I try to tell them, I say, yo, listen to the whole video, right? A big Khago big me up and big up Brains, right? And of course, I joke him, did I joke through the whole thing. And I've been telling you guys that me and Khago don't have nothing from morning. The youth actually rate SouFLoTV and him rate my review them. So you hear what I'm saying? After me review it, nobody else, him not even need nobody else to review it. Because I wait for my review. Because me are the hardest nut for crack, right? Me are the hardest one to get over upon that side there. Man, big up to Khago, man. Big up to Khago with the album, the Walk a Mile album. It's slapway. And I can't wait to see like him on stage with Mr. Winfred Williams. May I call out some people because they really need to like put some support behind the youth. Yeah? I don't know what kind of thing go on behind the scene, but I know for a fact certain people that Khago call up them name when he was saying them rob him or them treat him bad or whatever or give him shady business dealings. I know for a fact that some of those people are linked to some other people that he needs right now to get behind the project and say, all right, come on that show ya. Make we go tell the people them this and that. Get a man in interview or whatever. And I don't see them budging. So which tells me that even those people are biased as hell and have them people with them loyal to. So when you hear the artist them say certain things about certain people, a lot of the times it's true. But I'll wait to see. Big up Khago, man. Big up my people them who keep it positive, yes? Watch your haters them. Don't go over time watching them though, but watch them, yeah? Watch them and make sure so them not get too powerful to the point where them can hurt you, yeah? And also focus on you and your goals. And that's right there. Believe me when I tell you. Alright? I SouFLoTV, man. I'm up out of here. I have nothing more to say. I'm going to go in here, go slave myself for a couple of hours for the day and bring out some good videos for y'all later on today. Alright? I'm out. Peace. Oh, if you're in Miami this year for Best of the Best, let me know. Link it in the comment section below. Alright.